TE's Deutsch brand services an extensive range of markets and is the supplier of choice in the in-flight entertainment sector, delivering interconnection solutions for cabin systems over generations of aircraft, including one of the sector's leading connector choices. TE introduces its new Deutsch 369 series connector. The TE Deutsch 369 series connector has been developed to help meet the requirements of civil aerospace cabin systems applications, where fewer contacts are needed in each connector and shielding is unnecessary. Available in 3 standard contact layouts, 3, 6 and 9-way, the product is suitable for a broad range of applications, including cabin and seat lighting, panel brake interconnection, oxygen and emergency systems, passenger power, seat actuation. Utilizing composite materials, the Deutsch 369 series connector is extremely compact and lightweight, with low smoke, toxicity and flammability, meeting Federal Aviation Regulation 25.853. Robust design, excellent temperature, vibration and fluids resistance. Fully sealed cable and mating interface, ensuring suitability for areas where high moisture levels are present. A button latching mechanism helps provide quick, positive and audible locking. The 369 scoop-proof interface helps prevent damage to contacts in blind mating conditions. The product is quick and simple to mount with a standard cable tie. Latch security is provided, which helps prevent inadvertent unmating. To facilitate quick and accurate installation of cabling, connectors are conveniently color-coded to correspond with their keying configuration. The 369 series connector incorporates aerospace standard contacts, which are easily inserted and removed for maintenance and assembly.